So for the first time in history, NVIDIA hit 1100 a share. By the closing bell, they're around 1140. And literally right now, NVIDIA's worth more. The market cap of NVIDIA is more than the entire Canadian stock market cap. So why, may you ask, has this progress happened today? And Elon Musk just announced that his new startup XAI raised $6 billion in a Series B funding round. And that's sending the stock up 8% today. And Musk plans to use the NVIDIA chips for his new supercomputer that will be used to power their chatbot called Grok. And really right now, with such strong growth in the AI sector, it's no question that it is a bubble like the dot-com bubble. But if you properly predict and analyze this bubble, like many in the dot-com times, you may cash out pretty damn good. So let's take a look at the stock. What is the key indicator right now for such a strong set of earnings? And one thing I must say, it's their data centers, as they do stand at 80% of their revenue base. And just take a look at this unbelievable exponential growth that we're seeing and extremely high demand for their data, which provides AI training, scientific computing, and deep learning, which is their big one. And with all that AI hype surging right now, it's just a complete driver for their growth. So what price target are we expecting? If you guys are planning on buying NVIDIA this summer, or right now you want to do it before the 10-to-1 split share, what's a target price that you may look at? So I did a lot of research, and what I think the price target of where we may say NVIDIA now, with all these upcoming catalysts that are positive, is within the coming months, weeks, and years. I could see that by the end of the summer, I could definitely see NVIDIA around 13 to 1400 a share. Because keep in mind, effective June 7th, we are seeing a 10-to-1 stock split and an increase in its dividend to a 0.01 a share on a post-split basis. And if you don't remember last summer, if you've been watching NVIDIA for a while, we literally saw an earnings beat of like a predicted 2.09 EPS, and it turned out to be 2.70. And I do believe that NVIDIA still has a lot up its sleeve. Jensen Huang is something else. And so I think a large bull run in the coming weeks and months is more than likely. And the only catalyst that I'd really just keep an eye out right now is just everything going on in D.C. If Congress can potentially put some sort of like legislation out that may affect it. But if Pelosi and many of those other senators and congressmen and House representatives are long on this stock, I really wouldn't be too worried. And yeah, so I plan on making a more updated, in-depth video, more technical analysis-based video on the stock tomorrow. So I highly recommend that you like and subscribe and comment down below if you personally own NVIDIA yourself and what your personal outlook is on this booming stock, because this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime unicorn company, in my opinion.